Hello guys, it's journalist Samuel Brand and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for your support. Now, here's shocking news concerning Mulamwa and Ruth K. a breakup, and here it is. Comedian Mulamwa has hit back at Ruth K. after she criticized him and reversed a Kenyan shillings 5,000 transaction he had sent to support her and their child. In a strongly worded Facebook thread, Mulamwa accused Ruth of being the reason behind the breakdown of his relationship with his ex-girlfriend and baby mama Carol Soni. According to him, everything in his life began to fall apart the moment Ruth K entered the picture. I quote, "I had a beautiful marriage until you came. I didn't know you were coming to finish me. I am so sorry, Carola, though it is water under the bridge now." End of quote. Mulamwa wrote. He further claimed that Ruth had been misled by her friends and at some point created a WhatsApp group in which she allegedly recruited women to falsely accuse him of being HIV positive. Again, I quote, "The stories you want to share, just bring the tea. We will use them to make money. I also have your stories, and as for me, I stand for facts and I fear no one." End of quote. He continued in the same thread. The comedian also expressed his frustration with Ruth's alleged misuse of online platforms and made a bizarre request for the return of his tooth. I quote again, "I have tried to hide things for a long time and you are using this platform wrongly, and please return my tooth." End of quote. He added, "Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news updates. And if you have not subscribed, kindly ensure that you have subscribed, liked our videos, shared and comment."